how to buy deepseek16z token. So this token came under the symbol of seek16z. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral link codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So check it, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about the token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. They included their X account. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's released 4 hours ago and it's increased by 200 to 300% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's my investment in a safe place. So this token is trending #1 in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open funds money for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy seek16z token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.